Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy that you're able to join me again in another unboxing video. I always find these really entertaining. I hope that you guys enjoy my unboxings as much as I do. I know that I'm the receiving the products. However, I think it's cool to see the initial reaction, and also it's great to see just the new products that people, certain companies, I should say, come out with. If you hear any kind of loud yelling, there is a group of rambunctious preteen boys playing outside, and they could be swearing and have foul mouth, so excuse that. I mean, boys are gonna be boys when it comes to stuff like that, so yeah. Anyway, today is a very gloomy, rainy day. This whole week has been super gloomy and rainy and cold. It's as if summer just peaced out and didn't even warn us or give us a heads up. My friend said it the best the other day. It's as if summer ghosted us, and it's true. That's exactly what it feels like. So I was very anti-fall for a second because I'm like, I don't want summer to end. I can appreciate the changing of seasons. However, I'm not in a rush to get into one season. I mean, if it's Christmas, that's a whole other story. But I just didn't want summer to end. But once September hit, it's as if summer was gone and fall was here. So I have some of my fall decorations out. I caved in and I brought them out like earlier this week, so there's that. And I'm very simple with my decorations. I don't do anything over the top or anything like that. It's just my kind of style, like very simple, clean, minimal, and just small touches and accents of fall around my apartment. However, I can definitely appreciate like the tacky decor for any holiday season. I think it's so cool to look at. I'm thinking of making a video on a few of my favorite fall decorations I have around my apartment. There's a big nasty garbage truck that just drove by. Anyway, enough with the chit chat. I hope you guys are doing great, but let's get into this unboxing. Alright, so this first box, it's a little jammed up here, as you can see. But this is from A Cosmetics, and I'm excited. I love it. We have been partners for a long time. I use their products all the time, not just because I have them, but because I actually really do love them. Looks like eyebrow stuff. Ooh. This is what you initially see. Brow Power Filler. How cute! Oh, I love this dusty mauve color too. So this is the fanny pack. Adorable see-through plastic with accents of this dusty mauve color. The Herschel trademark. Ooh, Herschel. It says, use this on the go pouch to hold all your essential items for everyday protection, including your new silk face covering. What? Boy, the times that we live in now, who knew that a year ago that one of the things that the PR package would include is a face mask? Okay, stop. I'm actually very excited because I'm all about getting new face masks. You're gonna get tired of the ones that you have. How adorable. Ooh, yes. I can't wait to wash this and be able to wear it. It's a silk face mask. It's by Slip. So there's a company called Slip that makes silk face coverings. And it's a reusable face covering because it is. Oh, it has adjustable, here an adjustable nose pincher. I don't know. Where you can pinch it by the nose and make sure that no air is escaping the mask. All right, let's see what this bag contains. So, definitely have some brow stuff in here. Ooh, yes. Okay, so we have different brow filler products. This is their Brow Power Filler. And I think I only have 3 shades. No, I think I have 4 shades. Here we go. The little blondie. So there's Universal Blonde, Universal Auburn, Universal Taupe. I don't know why I keep doing that. Universal Dark Brunette. So why don't we take one out? So I am a taupe. I don't want to break it. How adorable. I love how matte the packaging is. Sorry, my nails aren't done. I mean, my hands are just a mess, dude. Sad. Okay. It's a volumizing tinted fiber brow gel. So I've never used this product before. This is the first time that they sent it to me. And this is what the little wand looks like. Interesting. So there are fibers at the very end of it, and the product is all over that. I am so curious as to what this is going to look like. Excuse me, mother is calling. Hi, Mom. I'm here. Okay, bye. Okay, sorry about that. I'm having my mom over tonight, so don't mind her. She'll be in the background doing things. So as I was saying, I don't know how you actually use this product. But there seems to be little, it kind of looks like the in-between of a lipstick wand or eyeshadow wand, the disposable ones, and you can see the little spikes there, rubber spikes, kind of like a mascara would be, and the tip of it looks like a sponge. Super interesting. I wish I had a mirror. Maybe I can do it on my phone with my camera. You basically... Ooh, I'm scared. Okay, I don't know. Maybe I shouldn't do it. Maybe this is a bad idea. On the Fiber Brow product, it says that there's a microflocked tip to fill and then the molded bristles to tint, shape, and set. So you're supposed to fill with the tip of it and then mold it and sort of brush out your brow. More Brow Power, their Universal Brow Pencil, and their Universal Auburn, and let me guess, Universal Blonde right here, and the Universal Dark Brunette. The Cosmetics brow products are very easy to use, and they do actually do a very good job at matching people with different hair colors. So if it says universal, usually it is universal unless you have pink hair. So this Brow Power pencil has 2 ends like most brow products. You have the spoolie end, and then you have the pencil end. It's kind of like an oval shape pencil. So it's not a fine point or anything like that. Let's try to draw this on here. Okay. Very, very soft effect to this pencil, so it's not too harsh. So it won't look like Oscar the Grouch when you apply it on. You can even blend it out with the brow. Now, I don't like a very harsh brow on myself, and I don't like to give harsh brows on any of my clients unless they request for it. So products like these make me very, very happy because you can get a very soft, natural brow with them. That is all that is in my little pouch here. So extremely happy. I mean, you can never receive too many brow products, especially if they are different. And this is actually really great because I can take the colors that obviously don't match me and put them in my kit to use on clients. So I'm very thankful for this. This box is from none other than Urban Decay. And I am always excited to open up Urban Decay products because they are always so fun and useful to me. So, oh my gosh, honey. Okay, let's look. It is the Good Vibes Only Stone Palette. It says, put down the sage and pick up this vegan palette packed with 12 all-new crystal-infused shades to block bad vibes and elevate your look. Oh, I get what they're doing. Okay. Is Urban Decay based in California? I feel like they are. So I guess in California there's a huge thing with like crystals and stones that like help your energy or... Oh, okay. Yeah. That's basically what's based off of. Tap into your third. I don't know how I feel about that because I don't really believe in that. But this is just makeup, so I'm not gonna get super Christian on that. So we have here eyeshadow primer potion, which is totally essential for a very good eyeshadow look. And for those that don't know what it looks like, I'm sure you do. I'll just show it anyway. Urban Decay was my very first. Oh wow, they have... Don't they usually have squeezy tube ones? Well, this you can actually squeeze it out of there. Before it was in it looked like a little plastic genie bottle shaped container, and it was hard to get all the product out of there because it gets stuck along the sides. And so there were like video tutorials on how to get all of your primer potion out of the container to put into little plastic containers, so then you can get your money's worth. And because of those videos and complaints from customers of their product being wasted and having to pay so much money for it, Urban Decay came up with a solution of a squeezy tube, and actually helps get all the product out, so then you don't have to scrape and like cut it open and everything and go to those lengths to get all your product out. So that is a plus. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh, honey, really? Oh, look at that. I'm so impressed and like I'm just shook, but highly, highly impressed by this. This is raised, okay? They don't play with their packaging. They're not cheap when it comes to their packaging. This retails for $54, so you are definitely paying more money than you would a regular palette from theirs, but I mean, this is special, obviously. Clearly, this is special. These are the colors that you get in here. You have a good range of colors. Nothing, oh my gosh, how beautiful is this? Okay, so we have to swatch some colors. I'm not going to swatch all of them right now because I don't want to. It's going to take way too much time, but why don't we... Look how beautiful. Okay, wait. I don't know, my camera gets so bright and white. That is Ojo. Raw Energy is right here. Okay, maybe I should stop with swatching because I need to take pictures of this. I got too excited. Okay. If you want a different video based on just swatching this palette and all that, then let me know and I'll do that. But Oh my gosh, how beautiful. That was a highlight. Okay, the very last package is from Pixi. Pixi is amazing. I love getting Pixi packages. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm not ready. It actually says ready, and I don't think I'm ready. Nature's true gift to inspiration, painting with a ray of colors and creating a world that is full and bright. Betra made a gift of palettes to glow in this artistic light. At Pixi, we share this gift with those who dare to create. So, oh my gosh, I'm actually really excited for this. Girl. Okay. Here we have it. 4 palettes. Oh my goodness. Is this fall vibes or what? How beautiful. Oh my gosh. I can't. I just cannot. Oh, wow. That's stunning. This is the Hazelnut Haze palette. We have Nuance Quarter. That's a cheek palette. Oh. Okay. Yeah. Honey Nectar. Oh, sorry. So this one was a Nuance Quartet, and it's in Sugar Blossom. Okay, sorry about that. This is another Nuance Quartet, and this is in Honey Nectar. You have the highlights and blush and a little bronzer there. This side just has no shimmer in it whatsoever. And then another IFX, which this is called Rosette Ray. Sorry, my band-aids in that shot there. Another beautiful fall-inspired eyeshadow palette. That is so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Look at these. How pretty. And you know, you really can play this up. Like, you can do this as an everyday look, or you can take it from day to night. That is the end of the unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions on any of the products, I will link them all down below as well. Again, remember, all these products were sent to me by the PR team from each company, and I'm super grateful for it, and I'm so happy that I'm able to share it with you guys today, and that anytime I get something, I'm able to share it with you guys. You can kind of see what kind of products are out there that are new. You know, every company is trying, I mean, they're in competition, so they're always trying to step up their game, so it's kind of cool to see when the holidays and fall come around what they come out with, because usually I feel like it's the most exciting. Again, thank you for joining me. I hope to see you guys soon. I love you. God bless.